Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, this week we've been working very hard, and this morning we went over to the fields today and took the dogs for a walk, and we went over there to see if we can find any twigs and that. Just come back and start making some realistic trees. These trees are quite impressive actually, because once you model them into the size you want, then you get some PVA glue and then you put the foliage on. Quite tricky to work with because it's trying to get the foliage to stay on the trees. But once they dry, they do look quite impressive. Another thing to do is to add, once you've done them, is just get a bit of hairspray over top them, just to bond them on there. But like I say, they do look quite nice and I'm very pleased with them. As we go up onto the layout now, we're just working on a few little things, so I thought I'd just show you where we are with the layout. As you've got the scrapyard here, we're hoping to sort that out in the next couple of weeks. Over the back there, we've got the cows in position now. And once the trees and we start this back area started here, we can start working on the front. Now as you come all the way along here, you've got this lovely church here we've been working on. Quite a lot of people have actually come back and said they quite like the church with the lights on at night time. We've got a wedding scenery going on in the back there and the graveyard, and these are the trees that we done quite a while ago. So as you see, these do look quite impressive once they're dry and added things on there. We've got the graveyard there with some flowers on there, and it does look quite nice. As you come on the front here, we decided to, this area here is quite an open area, we decided to have a Christmas market in here. So what we've been doing this week, we've been buying some Christmas markets and trees, and we have a little mini ice rink in here too. So I think we're going to move all this back to make a little bit more room in here. So that's going to look quite impressive. And as we're on the right hand side, we've been painting these boats up now. So these wait for people to go into, and these will be going on the canal. Still working on the canal boat yet, they're still not finished, but once that's done, like I say, we've got to get all the back area done first and then we can start working on the canal. But it's something to look out for in future videos. Like I say, it's doing very well now, things are starting to come together, very good progress. Like I say, this is the first stage of the layout. Like I say, we've been doing this quite a lot of times, but I think we're starting to get it right now. So we started doing this, and I hope you enjoy this journey we're on. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care and stay safe.